Hi friends, welcome back to ToppyTots. We're going to draw a Tweety bird today. We're going to start with a pencil, so grab a pencil, get your paper ready. Don't forget to go follow us over on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Subscribe and ring that bell for us. Thanks! Okay, I already started by doing a circle for my face. Now I'm adding an oval for the cheek. Put on a neck and a bigger circle for the body of Tweety. Alright, Tweety has quite large feet, so we're going to do some large ovals over to the side because our cute Tweety is sat down. If our lines look too faint, don't worry, we're going to get started with the pen very soon, so you can just follow the lines. From these guidelines, I'm now going to add some detail. Using my guide, I'm just going to go over a little bit darker, correct where I need, extend the head here. That's why I love guidelines. You can just erase them. Tweety's a great start for learning how to put these shapes together. Gonna add some eyebrows on. This will help me put Tweety's eyes in the right place. Okay, let's get rid of those other lines before they confuse me. Okay, I'm going to add the cheeks. See how that guideline worked perfectly? I'm going to curve it round. Taking my time and bring it to the midpoint for the chin. Join it up with the other cheek. Alright, where does Tweety's beak go? Just here, right in the middle. Use those cheek lines as a guide for the level of Tweety's beak. We're just going to do a hook curve and then that kind of upside down hill. Curve round to join it together. Add a little detail. Smile. Alright, I'm going to use those cheeks as a guide again to put my eyes in. So I'm just imagining where the line would start. Between the beak and the cheek, right here. Nice and curved. Alright, other side, same thing. Just using that as a guide. The beak and the cheek, and then I'm going to go my curved line to start the base of Tweety's eyes. Alright, Tweety's got great big eyes, they are just so cute, so let's go ahead and do a big curve round, getting wider at the top, and then bringing that back down to join up with the base line that we just created. It's really simple. There you go. Okay, now put the next eye in. Just going to follow that line as a guide to get this second oval in, and then another one right in the center of that baseline. Right, onto the next eye. Now we know how high to go up. See? Mark it there or visualize it. And that's where you want to bring your line to the top. Curve around a little wider again. Same thing, we're going to follow that line on the inside to create the eye. How's it looking so far? Eyelashes, 1, 2, 3. Same on the other side, 1, 2, 3. Using our chin down here, working where our neck's going to go, just like this. Now that big circle, we're going to use that to make our guide for the body. Put the shoulders in. Look, it almost matches up with our guideline. Curving this line round and bring it down to in between the feet where we think the hands will lay on the ground. We're just figuring it all out right here. Using all our previous lines as a guide, I'm just going to start just a little bit higher on that side. I came off the camera just a little bit, but I'm just drawing Tweety's hand down here. It's a quite simple thumb, and then you can bring it round into a curve and then put separate lines in to make the digits. Using that, we're going to now add part of the leg in where we know it ends. We're going to add the back in, a little extra curve. Bring it almost to that foot shape that we've created, because we haven't tied it up completely yet, so we don't exactly know where the back tweak is going to end right at this moment. So we're going to work on the foot now so we can tie it all together. Wow, our guideline almost is perfect. So we're just going to add in a toe, match it up almost to the height of the shoulder, and then we're going to curve it into that bottom area there of the foot. It's really quite simple. Alright, let's figure out where the tail's going to go using that top toe. It just wants to be a little bit shorter than the toe and in between the toe and the shoulder, and just fit it behind where the back end is. Oh, I'm loving it. Alright, let's add that shoulder. Bring it down. The hand's going to land in about the same place. His arm's just behind the body. Adds a little bit of dimension to our cartoon. There you go, there's the thumb. We're going to curve it around to create the hand and just put some lines in there to create the digits. Alright, so just under the leg, we're going to be able to see where... Oh, no mistake. There we go. Let's just go. Oh, that looks better. Alright, we're just going to do a line here between the leg, between the body and the arm. That's where the leg's going to come through on the other side. Using the shoulder as a guide again. This time we're going to have a little bit higher because this foot is a bit more in the forefront of our picture. Alright, same thing. Curve the first toe. Bring it down, give it a little curve on the inside and bring it down to that foot. Add the second toe. Kind of curved outline, and then we're going to bring it in just slightly. I'm just correcting some fine details here. You can take your time. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we're ready for the pen, yay! Alright, let's get started on the pen. So I'm just going to follow my lines now. If I feel like I need to correct anything, I will do as I go. As once again, the pencil is just a guideline. So we did like an upside down C to the top of Tweety's head, and now we're bringing around little curved cheeks with our black pen. Bring around the bottom. Let's not make those lines meet up. There you go. Add the neck in. Alright, add the hair. I always like doing this, that's fun. Okay, eyebrows. Always gets a good guide where our eyes are going to go. So I like to put them in pretty soon at the start. We're just trying to extend that and make it neater. Alright, let's start down here. Just following those pencil lines really right now. For shoulder. So nothing's really being corrected right now, I'm just following exactly what I already put in place with the pencil. This is a great start. Alright, let's get Tweety's face. That's the fun bit and the most important bit to make the character come alive. Okay. Just doing the eyes, trying to take my time. Curving around, get some nice smooth curves on the eye. Okay, eyelashes, just be fun and quick with those to make them more wispy. Just a quick flick of the pen. Alright, same thing other side. Let's do that baseline to give us our guide. Take our time curving up. Oh, down a little bit straight. That's fine. Once we colour, it will look great still. Eyelashes again, 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. Wow, this is going quick. Let's get Tweety's beak in. Top curve and then bring it under. And underneath curve it around to match. Alright, colour it in. So we're going to colour Tweety's eyes, the pupil in black. We're just going to leave a little bit area of white to give it kind of a bit of shy and 3D look. We'll leave the same area of white on the other side too. Can anyone remember what colour Tweety is? Isn't she pink? Yellow? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, time to colour. Yep, gonna start with Tweety's body first. It's yellow. It's a great bright yellow. I love it. Did you know we're only going to be using 3 colours today? It's a really simple drawing. Definitely one you should give a try. Okay, orange for the beak and orange for the feet. We're nearly done. Oh, just the blue eyes. There, how pretty. Yay, I love it. I would love to see your drawings, so go over to our Facebook page and submit your artwork. Hashtag ToppyTots. We're on Instagram too. Go check us out. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!